making meat pie. Pedro always taught me the key to the perfect pie is a diameter of 3.141592653, or pizza for short. Thanks, Pedro. Next, you want to apply some SPF butter to some bowls and attach your raw dough. I don't have any bread weights, so I'm just going to use some bowl weights. Get it, Karen. For the filling, go ahead and grab some ground beef and mice it. After some well-calculated slices, it should look like this. Next, you want to remove the white beef from the red beef to make red beef. Perfect. Get it, Karen. Add some olive oil. She was a virgin. Crystallize your beef chunks. Give it a couple of well-calculated pokes. Next, you want to move this junk. Some olive oil and breath mints. Add some garlic and mice it. Perfect. Some wheat powder, some beef juice, mix the lardo, some happy juice, windshield wiper sauce, red potato sauce. Add your beef chunks and poke it a couple times. I'm gonna go ahead and give Karen some privacy and let her do her thing. Just checking in on the bread progress. Doesn't look good. So we're gonna change up the strategy and go on the backside. Get it, Karen. When we're driving, why do we wait till a stoplight turns green to go? When at a stop sign, we just go even though it's red. Next, we're gonna apply some raw bread to the cooked bread to make pie. And to prevent leaky pie, I'm gonna use some ultra thin pie thread. Next, you wanna take a baby chicken and coat the top of the pie with it. Baby chicken is also known as an egg. I like eggs. Get it, Karen. Nice. Karen got these. Put it on a fancy plate.
Taste test.
The pie's smoking hot, so we're just gonna go ahead and add some flavor cubes for extra flavor and cooling action. A couple more.
You can really taste the flavor cubes. 10 out of 10.